In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play GTA 5 split screen on story mode and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you can see, I am recording this video on the PC version of GTA 5, while what I'm going to say in this video is going to apply for any other platform, so even if you are on console, this will also apply for you. So first, I want to highlight that I am playing with a keyboard and mouse, so I'm walking around pressing WASD using my mouse to look around, and what I'm going to try to do is connect a controller to my PC. So as you can see, now I have the controller set up. I can use the controller to move around, move the camera, and do all actions in game. However, the expected behavior would be to connect a secondary player because I have now a new input device connected to the same platform. It seems that split screen doesn't start automatically, so what if we go into the settings and browse through the options here? What you will notice is that unfortunately nothing here will be related to doing split screen. So even if you were to connect an additional controller to your PC or console, split screen will not start. So as of today, is it even possible to do split screen on GTA 5 story mode? Sadly, as it stands today, it still remains impossible to do split screen on GTA 5 on any platform, even though the game is more than 10 years old at this point. Rockstar has never bothered to add split screen. So, as it stands today, it is impossible to do split screen on GTA 5. This applies for PC, console, and also the story mode and online. Split screen is not available in GTA 5 at all. We can only hope that for GTA 6, Rockstar introduces split screen. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Rockstar never officially introduced split screen into GTA 5, and it remains impossible to do. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.